Hi everyone, and thank you for joining me today. This video is a highly requested video. We're going to do a Qigong massage for headaches, stiff neck and shoulders to release some of that tension, encourage blood flow to the head so we can think clearly, feel sharper, and be more productive. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin. So I'm going to be doing this routine sitting down, but feel free to adjust the position. You can do it standing up, or you can sit on the edge of a chair, sofa, or even in bed. So make sure you're comfortable. You have a nice flat back, long spine, lengthen through the back of the neck as well, and the crown of the head is pointing upwards. Relax your neck and shoulders, let your chest relax, maybe even open your belly. And just take a moment here for yourself to get a feel for your body, to bring awareness to your body, and notice how you feel. Then we begin by massaging the hands. So keep your hands nice and warm. Now, with your open hands, we're gonna tap the face, starting from the forehead and the temples, then the eyebrows, under their eyes. It's more like a gentle tap, so be mindful. Then the center of the cheeks down, the lips, and the jawline, the chin. Very, very good. Relax. Already feel a little bit of buzz in your face. Next, we're gonna tap the head, starting from the front towards the back. Then expand, covering the entire area. Come to the top of the head, the Bai point. Actually, I like to do it this way. Then change hands. And let relax. Very good. Next, bring your attention to the ears. We're gonna massage the ears. Our ears is an easy and effective way to stimulate all the body systems. So our ears is like a little projectors to all the body parts, all the organs and glands. So they're used heavily in reflexology, but also in Qigong. So a little ear massage every day keeps the doctor away. Very good. Let your hands relax. Already get a feel what's happening in your head and your ears. Next, we're gonna find the 2 points, Fen Qi. So the 2 dents under the skull, where the neck muscles connect to the skull. So just rest both thumbs on each side and press in a circular motion, applying a little pressure. If it feels particularly sensitive or sore, you can spend longer here. Sometimes the energy that rise up and accumulates in the head, the yang energy, the energy of activity and fire. So we want to release and make sure that it's flowing all the time. There's no stagnation. Massage those points. Very, very good. And relax. Next, we're gonna massage the neck. Same here, to make sure that there's no tension in your neck. Blood flow is smooth. everything is nice and relaxed. So just squeeze up and down a few times, then change hands and repeat. And let relax. Already notice if you feel looser and a little bit more relaxed. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to find a point, Tanju point. It's located under the 7th vertebra spine towards the shoulder blade, and we're going to tap. Then change hands. And let relax. Come back. Next, we're gonna knock on the chest, starting from the breastbone, go up. And here, let's take a nice deep breath in. Then exhale, releasing all the tension. Breathe in. Exhale. Feel the immediate release. One more time. Breathe in. And exhale. Very good. Notice your chest real quick. Next, we're going to go down and tap on the muscles in the arms. Very gently. A little bit on the back of the shoulder. Then one more time. Come up. Then under the hand. And let relax. Notice the difference between the two hands. One is a little bit more alive, feels fuller. Another one, a little bit empty. So we want to bring the same sensations to the hand. Back of the shoulder. And come back to the chest. Relax. Next, we're going to do a few exercises for the neck. Go ahead and look up. Opening the front section of the neck. Release. Look down. Return to center. Turn to the left. Release. Then the right. Come back to center. Repeat the circle. Down. To the left. To the right. Back to center. One more time. Look up. Down. Left. Right. Relax. Next, turn to the left and then do a half circle back to the right shoulder. Then chin to the shoulder, go to the left. So continue the circling motion only halfway. One more time. Return to center and relax. Next, we're going to extend our hands. First, create a straight line across your chest, lengthening through your fingers. And then what we're going to do, we're going to squeeze the shoulder blades nice and tight and look up. Then release and let it open. Spreading the wings. Go ahead and repeat slowly and gently. Squeeze tight. Look up. Release and soften. Breathe in. Breathe out. Lengthening through the hands. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Out. One more time. Breathe in. And breathe out. Extend both arms and then let them rest on top of your knees. Let the awareness and the warmth spread across your back. Feel that relaxation. Then go ahead and press forward. Open your fingers nice and wide. Release and relax down. One more time. Press forward. And release. Very, very good. This time, someone's pulling you by your wrist, round your elbows, round your hands, and stretch this way. Feel a circle on the inside. Release. One more time. Round up. Press forward or push forward. And relax. Very good. Then go ahead and raise the hands up. Press upwards, lengthen it through the spine, through your arms, palms are open, fingers spread. Then release and relax. Repeat one more time, go up. And let relax. Very good. Relax your neck and shoulders. And then go ahead and gently tap the back of the shoulder. Then same on the other side. Relax. Take a moment to notice how you feel. I hope you feel much better than before this video. A little bit lighter in the head, relaxed in your neck and shoulders, and more present in the body. Thank you very much for joining me. I wish you a good day. And if you like my videos, guys, please subscribe to my channel to support the work I do and to enjoy the free Qigong videos on YouTube. And if you'd like to try something new, you would like to join me on Zoom every Sunday, you prefer longer routines and want to expand your practice, consider joining my membership site. I'm going to put a link right in this corner so you can get all the details from the website. I wish you great health, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.